Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV.
Nàìjíríà máa gbolè ó gbọ̀ lẹ́nu bí ìbàjẹ́ kó gbolè ó gbọ̀ lẹ́ irú ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ kú sọ̀rọ̀ that's threat to life kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ náà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tẹ́ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gan pọ̀ one ó threaten life ẹnìkan two ó dá ìjọba àṣẹ ọlọ́pàá ó dá dúró ó intimidate wọn iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ó ń dá dúró ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní gbogbo àwọn eléyìí mo sọ pé ìpàdé dojú àlà.
ọmọ kan sọ pé fẹ́ẹ́ rìlíìsì ẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ wọ́n ti lọ gbé mọ́tò wá wọ́n lọ fẹ́ rìlíìsì ta ni níbo lọ́ ti máa rìlíìsì mo wà láìsí wọ́n lọ fẹ́ rìlíìsì ẹ̀ ó dàgbé wọn ò mọ̀ ó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pàtọ́jú ẹ̀ ní rìlíìsì bo. bàbá jẹ ṣàgó ló wẹ́. olórí burúkú kan pè mí lólóṣù àbí kí nìyẹn pè mí. X-rated. bàbá ìyá ẹ̀ olóṣù ni wọ́n kò mọ́ tọ̀ bọ̀ ó ṣàbíwọ́ lọ́jọ́ tó má block ẹ̀jẹ̀ kó máa ríran wò má block anybody. àwọn pedophile fún. má block anybody jọ. wọ́n ti olọ anywhere o wọ́n ti rí ó wà ń bẹ̀ olọ anywhere apọ̀ bàjẹ́ síbí báyìí mo ló ń lọ àbó ti lọ ni gbàdí kí ni ìmú mi ráyè àlórí mi gbóná láàárọ̀ ìgbà tí mo rí rìlíìsì kan pé wọ́n lọ fẹ́ rìlíìsì bo mo lọ ti fẹ́ rìlíìsì ẹ̀ ayé apá síbi àmọ́ tó wọ́n ń bìnà kọ́ gbé jáde kó máa bọ̀ kárí mo lọ fẹ́ rìlíìsì ẹ̀rọ bá ń ṣeré ni èèyàn mú ojújú ọmọ 7 years ó mọ̀ lẹ́sìn ó ti gbé ní 14 years ó mọ̀ lẹ́sìn tó jẹ́ àtọ̀ kò ní dáa fún àtọ̀ lórí burúkú wo èmi náà bímọ tèmi náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bímọ bọ̀dà wọ́n lè ṣe máa fi kẹ́mọ́ mọ̀bìnrin. ẹ ní ṣe àkọ́kọ́ lọ bí wọ́n tẹ̀ gbé ó ti àdúgbò òṣèlú kan máa ṣe. a ti ṣe mítì àti bọ́tà we can't take a phone in there if not I would have showed this face but we can't take a phone in there it's still there they are not releasing anybody they are not releasing anybody we came here to see with our eyes and it's there it's not going anywhere they say they are still in investigation ẹ̀yin lórí burúkú media dem parade the stupid news ẹ jẹ́ kó rí máa pé o you understand this one is not a case you can sweep under the carpet this one is not police case ara ilé ó ti di nationwide case yo so ẹ má jà sí if you cannot help us don't create confusion.
So we are just coming from Panti Live, and all of us were here. Princess is here, Yabo Ojo is everybody is here. See, Princess, wait. See, this issue is not an issue, war or clash between actors and actresses. I have seen the video myself, and I am casting my doubt on the police system for once. The DCO in charge of this case, we are just coming from Panti, you all watch the live, has assured us that justice must prevail. But come, we are only casting our mini down. Justice must prevail. Whether it's an issue of rape, whether it's an issue of defilement, whether it's an issue of country, whether it's 7 years ago or 6 years ago, where is it going to go already? Need where go go. If you release Baba Jebu, yeah, we will not be. Baba Jesha, only problem on Amateur. So keep it there until we are able to see the because this is inhuman and act. If you watch the video, you will understand that nobody should support injustice. This is not about social media attention. This is about justice for a guy. People don't come out to talk because they're going to silence them. Mentally, morally, people are dying in this country. And we want to continue. Oh no, man. What did you say? Sorry, I don't sọ tèmi ẹ jẹ́ sọ Yorùbá abiyamọ ní gbogbo wa oníkálukú ló lè mọ̀ kó tó di ìsọwọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ Yorùbá afọ and actresses yẹn mo mọ̀ pé ìrìnwọ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ní o ìrìnwọ̀ bí ìjà ìyá ìbò ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú yín lẹ́yìn tẹ́tí mo fídíò tẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pọ̀ sẹ́yìn bí mo bá láṣẹ kó tẹ́ máa sí báyìí a máa bí ọlọ́run fún mi ṣe ọgbẹ́ wọ́n ní ìgbúrú wọ́n ní ìgbúrú so ẹgbẹ́ wẹ̀wà wò I saw Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà with my 2 eyes ṣe ẹ̀rí èmi rí mo ní Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà so èmi ti ní Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà láìpẹ́ mo lè ti tú àmì ọlọ́pàá ẹ má dán mẹ́wàá wò ẹ bá dún ẹni tí wò gbogbo pàtí àti sọ̀rọ̀ àmì ti kí nílẹ̀ iná tún fi
investigation yẹn wọ́n bá wa slow ẹ̀ nígbà tí àwọn kọ́ọ̀tì máa rí tún padà torí pé bó ṣe wà yẹn
kí àtọ́ ìyàrìbítì Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ìyàrìbítì ní ìjọ mẹ́fà psychological home
molesta àti tó bá tó àwọn
múlẹ̀ skúlù nílẹ̀ lọ skúlù nílẹ̀ skúlù
child molester gbogbo yín pátá torí mo rí tẹ̀ ń wá tẹ̀ ń kú tẹ̀ ń sẹ́ríṣiríṣi mo mí gbogbo yín ẹjọ́ mo tẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ gbogbo àwọn industry ni ẹ̀yẹ pè mí mọ́ tẹ́bà ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ lè bá wa jàjà yìí ẹ má pè mí ẹ má advice mi ẹ má comfort mi ẹ má console mi.
màtí ìsàkàlà jẹ́bi ti bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ ti mọ̀ pé ó máa dúró èkó yìí commissioner of police inspector of police mẹ́kùnrin àná tẹ́ kọ́ wọ́n máa ní this matter.
ẹ̀yin náà lè confession àti fún yín confession ó ti ẹ̀yin tó bá àbí kọ́kọ́ di pé wọ́n mú mọ́lẹ̀ kan sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n sọ pé èṣù ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ohun tó ṣe ṣẹ́rí sójà bẹni tí wọ́n ń nà tó bá dánmọ́ tèmi lè ní kábẹ́ ẹ̀ máa tẹ̀sí ìlú láti dánù bò wàhálà ó ti ẹ̀yin bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀
àwọn tó bá ń lọ́rọ̀ òun ni commissioner of police àti inspector of police adẹ̀ ti lọ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ má ṣòṣì o ẹ má dẹ̀ ṣe nọ́mbà gọ́ọ̀nà ìwọ náà bá wọn mọ́ nípa ìfọ́nà ìjọba.
We are talking to the CP.
Okay, they want to hear English. Okay, so the situation at hand is we're just coming from Pansi, State CID, and I personally saw Ìjẹ̀ṣà myself, and the police has assured us that Ìjẹ̀ṣà cannot be released on bail for whatever reason because they are still investigating. And the police never even saw the previous video of where he confessed. They are just seeing it now. So they need to investigate all of this. So we want everybody to stay calm. This issue is very, very sensitive. You all need to stay calm and understand the situation on ground. Let me tell you something. The spirit of Umoja keeps every one of us together as mothers. This girl might not be a girl who is a girl of a known person, but justice will speak for the unknown and the minors and the people that are belittled. So if you have not this confession, you will know that this issue is very, very sensitive. If Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is released on bail, within 2 seconds, he can arrest somebody because it's a psychological thing. He doesn't even have control of it. So we will not allow such an animal. For job, we will not allow such an animal in society. Every day it's not to be you. They're very released here. Everyone, no matter what I'm passing. So if you know what, I will leave here. So Sarah can let me that. We are not threatening you. Or Abiyamo last on you. Abiyamo, people go back my own for to do you. Then àtàárọ̀ mo ti wà ní jísà pàǹtí. Ayọ̀ rẹ̀ wá kú. Princess náà yẹ́bọ̀ kọ̀ pé tani ò ní jẹun.
Jẹun gbọdọ̀ ó máa jẹ ní ìṣá.
A ti sọ pé justice ń bọ̀ ní ẹlẹ́yìn. Láwẹ̀
Láwẹ̀ láwẹ̀ lẹ́yìn. Ó yá kọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀ I love you.
Ọlọ́pàá tó lè pè pọ̀ a ti lọ jókòó tí wọ́n. Wọ́n ní pé ó wà ní
kọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀ kò post ìyẹn kò post ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn.
Ibẹ̀ ni ó mú fún yín pé.
Kọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀. Wọ́n pè ní ṣé wọ́n wọlé ìlú.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV.